this is a 44-inch Hunter Dreamland ceiling fan here at my friend's house here and here. And so far, except this one, something to notice about the fan. If you notice, the light globes are missing, and then the pull chain broke off. So only this one works for the light. So yeah, I don't know what this one's stuck on, but yeah. Luckily, that one's on. Luckily, it's on. But luckily, this fan's stuck on the, so I can't do the reverse, adjust the, I can't change the pull, like go to high, medium, or low, because it's stuck. I think it's stuck on medium or high. Who knows what the thing's missing. Only the light works, so yeah. Very nice fan. Now we'll alright. Now you've seen it. Yeah. I wonder what the top looks like. Oh yeah. There's the top of the fan. And there you go anyway. That's the ceiling fan, so hope y'all enjoyed. I got more to make soon. Until then, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it.